I just wanted to bring something to your attention. When you open the course, you are going to be asked, one of the first things you're going to be asked to do is you're going to be asked to go through class information and orientation. And there's one little trick to viewing some of the content in blended schools right now, and I don't know why this is. All I know is it's recent and we're going to have to deal with it. If I go into something like orientation, you're going to be doing class information and orientation. You might see when you get to some of these things that you go to a section and it looks like there's supposed to be something there, but there isn't. In fact, in this place, there's supposed to be a video, but there's nothing to click on. What you have to do when you see that is you have to go up right here. Let me bring your attention to this part of the URL. You will see right here a little shield. If you click on that shield, I'm using Firefox. There are instructions in the website how to deal with this if it's from Chrome or from Explorer also. But in Firefox, it says that it's giving me some options here to keep on blocking this content down here or to disable protection on this page. Now, my Firefox dumps cookies every time that it opens and closes. So what's going to happen with you may be a little different, but be aware of the fact that there's this blocking feature going on. And if I disable it, it actually, as it moves along here, it actually kicks me back to the beginning of this whole thing, and I have to go back into orientation, go back into getting ready, and now once I get there, the video that I was supposed to watch is available. I'm not exactly sure how it works in the other ones, but I'm going to go ahead and open them now and see. Hold on. Alright, I've opened up the same thing using Internet Explorer, and I can see there's nothing here, but I get this message at the bottom. Only secure content is displayed. What's the risk? Show all content. It looks like it kicks me back. It looks like I can go back to where I was. And it looks like the content is now available here in Explorer. So that's how to deal with it in Internet Explorer. I'm going to pause again, open up Chrome, and see what we get. Well, it looks like that Chrome is going to be a problem. It doesn't look like Chrome has a way of letting us take a look at this images, pop-ups, location, media, ask by default, always allow on this site. Let's see what that does for us. It looks like Chrome is going to be the biggest. My suggestion would be to go ahead and just use Firefox. It doesn't look like Chrome is going to be working for us right now. Well, maybe so. Reload. Well, that was a mess. I would highly recommend at this point simply going to Firefox or going to Internet Explorer and using one of those right now with one of the solutions I showed you previously.